Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Breville Espresso machine here. So the customer brought in this machine with some grinder issues, mainly that the grinder was jamming every time they tried to use it. The burrs weren't turning, and this is due to the type of coffee that they're using actually. So something that's lightly roasted like this is much harder, and so it puts more stress on the grinder, and then it's just not able to turn. So I wanted to show you the difference between that and a darker espresso roast, something more like this. This is on the darker side of a dark roast, but it's just to show a more obvious comparison. And I'll show you the difference between the hardness using this scale I have right here. Let me just get a little bit closer. Okay, so here you can see those, the dark roast and the light one. Let's just press down on this. Okay, you can see it breaks pretty easily. And then you have something like, oops, you have something like this. Let's grab a different one. Here we go. Okay, so you can see it doesn't even break. It's, I'm pushing as hard as I can, and it won't break. Let's see. It just barely cracks. So if you do want to use a lighter roast in this kind of machine, I would recommend just feeding it in a little bit at a time to the grinder. So put it in a separate vessel and then just slowly feed the beans in instead of filling up the hopper. I can show you a demo of that now. So something like this. Start the grinder and slowly feed the beans in. Okay, so that's how you'll prevent the grinder from jamming, and there you can see. The other thing I did with this machine is I changed the adjustment dial on the upper burr. So it was set to 6 before, and I set it to 7 just because I noticed the burrs were pretty close together, and it was grinding much finer than what's necessary for espresso. So, okay, now I'll brew a shot just to show you that everything is working. I'm going to use that darker roast, so just 1 second. Alright, now that we have that darker roast in there, so this isn't perfectly dialed in, but it's just to show you that the machine is working now. There you can see. And there's plenty of room to go finer than this if this is too coarse for you. Okay, and the shot's running a little bit fast. But like I said, there's plenty of room to go finer than this. Alright, there's our shot of espresso. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, just hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.